Hello Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Libra, pauna mensahe po ninyo ay embrace your life purpose. Ayan. So most likely, Libra, ang karamihan sa inyo dito siguro, you already have figured out kung ano yung inyong purpose and life. Kaya, ang panawagan na sa inyo ngayon ng universe is for you to embrace your life purpose. Dahil alam nyo na kung ano ang mission ninyo sa buhay. So might as well embrace it. Start to live your purpose na. Sabi ni Archangel Michael sa inyo, I am guiding you toward your divine life purpose. Whatever makes your heart joyful is what you're meant to be doing. So, alam nyo na to. No, alam nyo na to kung ano tong bagay na to. Whatever it is that you love to do, that is your divine life purpose. Kasi mapapansin niyo na if you are living your purpose, no? When you are living your purpose, yung saya doon sa specific na bagay na ginagawa ninyo, no? Ay hindi lang simpleng saya, but malalim na saya. There is joy, hindi lang happiness, but joy ang mararanasan ninyo dyan. What else? We have the way forward is open. Ayan. So, sabi dito, you're not trapped. Possibilities and opportunities abound. I will guide you to personal and spiritual freedom. Ayan. So, napakaganda naman nito, Libra, no? Na there are so many possibilities and opportunities coming your way. Sabi ni Archangel Michael, i-guide ka niya para sa inyong personal at spiritual freedom. So, this is really good, no? You are heading towards your independence, no? Parang handa na kayong lumipad ngayon mag-isa. So, good luck. We have prioritized self-care. You do so much for others. It's time for you to experience the love you deserve and let others help you. Ayan. So, you are taking care of many people around you, pero siguro yung sarili ninyo, nakakaligtaan nyo na, no? Kaya, ang panawagan sa inyo dito, unahin ninyo ang inyong sarili. Unahin ninyong alagaan ang inyong sarili before others. Kasi kung mahina ang inyong pangangatawan, kung hindi kayo in good health, paano nyo din naman matutulungan ng iba? Paano nyo naman sila magagabayan? Hindi ba? Kung you don't even have that strength or physical strength to do the job, 'di ba? Yung ganon. So, it's time for you to show yourself some love, okay? Alagaan nyo naman ang inyong sarili while you are taking care of others. Be the real you, Libra. Be the real you. Be honest with yourself, okay? Ito na yun eh. The way forward is open. You are heading towards personal freedom, 'di ba? And spiritual freedom. Kaya magagawa niyo na 'to na magpakatotoo na kayo sa inyong sarili. Okay? Sabi dito, your greatest power comes from being who you truly are. Don't let anyone sway you from expressing your authentic self. Babawiin mo na yung kapangyarihan ninyo over yourself sa ngayon. You are going to be free, no? Of restrictions na sa ngayon. Kaya magiging makulay ng muli ang mundo ninyo dahil you are going to decide on yourself. You decide for yourself na sa ngayon, kayo na ngayon ang boss, no, ng sarili ninyo. We have your vibration is rising. This is a time of great spiritual growth for you. You are evolving to occupy a higher energetic frequency. Wow, napakaganda. Spiritual growth, spiritual freedom. Talaga sa ngayon ang ganap, no, ng karamihan sa inyo, Libra, kaya magiging high vibe na kayo, which is really really good, ano? Papunta na kayo dito sa higher energetic frequency. Angels of healing are with you. This is so cool, beautiful, kasi nababalot na kayo ngayon ng healing powers, ng healing energy, no? At kung ano man yung mga sakit, kung physical ailments man yan, or meron mang kaguluhan na sitwasyon sa ibang parte ng buhay ninyo, that will be healed, no? Libra, that will be healed. Magiging maayos na din ang lahat, magiging matiwasay na, maluwag na ang inyong pakiramdam. Sabi dito, a time of healing is about to bless your life. Accept Archangel Raphael's emerald green light while I enhance your strength. So, collab ito, Libra, ni Archangel Michael at ni Archangel Raphael. Magtutulungan silang dalawa para kayo ay mabiyayaan ng healing, no? At tutulungan ka din ng dalawang archangels na to na bumalik na ang inyong kalusugan, bumalik na yung inyong lakas, yung ganon. We have angel number 10, 11. Take action. There is hope. There is new beginning. There's fresh start, no? Masiguro magbabago na din yung inyong lifestyle sa ngayon. Your purpose in life, no? Spiritual awakening, yan ang mga kaganapan sa buhay ninyo. So, this is very true, no? Na you are evolving to occupy a higher energetic frequency kasi nandoon kayo sa stage ng spiritual awakening na. Sabi dito, this is a call to action to move forward. The sooner you get going, the sooner you will accomplish what you set out to do. Those with patience will eventually reap the rewards of their perseverance. Ayan. So, moving forward na talaga kayo dito, no? Moving forward. At kung totoo naman, 'di ba? 'Di ba may kasabihan nga na daig ng maagap ang masipag. Kaya kung kayo yung nauna na kayong mag-take action, na di mauna din kayong mag-reap ng inyong rewards of your hard work na gagawin. We have angel number 0110. Sabi dito, go after what you want. Ayan, kung ano yung gusto ninyo, kung ano yung gusto ninyong ma-manifest sa buhay ninyo, do it, 'di ba? Take action towards that para nang sa gayon makalapit agad kayo doon sa pagmamanifest ng kung ano man ang gusto ninyong mangyari. Maaring sa ngayon, destiny is at play, kaya na may mga bagay dito na is going to happen talaga, no? Whether you like it or not, it's going to unfold because divine timing has come. You will be getting also a lot of inspiration at magagamit ninyo siguro ngayon yung mga talents and gifts ninyo sa ngayon para dyan sa inyong purpose, 'di ba? You are stepping into your purpose na din sa ngayon, Libra, at maaring yung mga talents ninyo, mga gifts ninyo ang gagamitin ninyo dyan para ma-carry out na ninyo kung ano yung inyong life purpose. Sabi dito, you're blessed with talents and skills that make it easy for you to stand out from the crowd. Embrace what makes you different. That's your path to success. Ayan, yung uniqueness ninyo, yan ang magiging daan para sa inyong pagtatagumpay. Your dreams will soon come true. So, napakagandang promise. Kasi as you take action, sa kung ano man ang mga bagay na gagawin ninyo sa ngayon, magtatagumpay kayo, no? At makukuha nyo na, ma-achieve nyo na kung ano man ang mga pangarap ninyo. Good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.